Guys, welcome to Maths with Esomnofu, and in this video we are going to solve this wonderful Maths Olympiad problem. If you think you can, pause the video and make a guess. Okay, let's solve this quickly. We have 5 power x minus 1 is equal to 100. We are expected to find the value of x. So for you to find the value of x, you first of all observe the question. You can see that 5 is the base and we have 100 here. The two cannot be expressed to be in a common base. So what do? We introduce logarithm. So if you take the logarithm of both sides, we have it as log of 5 power x minus 1 is equal to the log of 100. Okay? So if you have this now, you remember the law of logarithm, which says that when you have log m raised to power n is the same thing as n log m. Okay, so if you have this, it's the same thing as this. So we are having same thing here, where our m is 5 and our n is x minus 1. So let's have log 5, and that's equals to log 100. Okay, so if you have this now, we use log 5 to open up the bracket since our goal is just to find x. So you have log 5 times x will give you x log 5. Log 5 times minus 1 will give you minus log 5. And that's equals to log 100. Okay? So on having this, what do? You just have to x log 5 can stand on its own. Okay? So you have it as x log 5 is equal to 100 log 100 plus log 5. Okay, please, I'll beg you to like, comment, and share this YouTube video. Also subscribe so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. Then the next thing you do is to divide through by log 5, divide by log 5. Divide by log 5 will cancel out log 2, log 100. Now we separate the fraction divided by log 5 plus log 5 over log 5. Okay, so that you see that x is equals to log 100 over log 5 plus log 5 divide itself, you're having it to be 1. Written in terms of what? 5. So you can now say we have that x is equals to, you have it as log, instead of writing 100, I can write it as 25 times 4, then divided by log 5 plus 1. On getting this, you know the law of logarithm, which says that log mn is equal to log m plus log n. Okay, so if you have this, you can now see that x is equals to, let's apply it in the numerator. So we can write it as log 25 plus log 4 divided by log 5 plus 1. So let's break down the fraction as usual. We have it as x is equals to log 25 over log 5, then plus log 4 over log 5 plus 1. Okay. So you have it that x is equal to, 25 can be seen as 5 squared. So we write it as log 5 squared over log 5, then plus log 4 over log 5 plus 1. Here, you can now see that we use this particular power to multiply the log. So we have it as 2 log 5 over log 5, then plus log 4 over log 5. Here, you can see that log 5 can cancel itself. We are left with what? X is equals to 2 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. We have it as 3 plus log 4 over log 5. Okay, use change of base here, which says that when you have log m over log n is the same thing as log of base n of m. So here our n is 5, our m is 4. So we can now write this as log of base 5 of 4. And this is the value for x. We can decide to check to know whether our answers are right. All we have to do is just to put this particular value to the power to know whether we are getting 100. So let's check. So all we have to do is that putting it, you have it as 5 raised to power. Instead of writing x, you have 3 plus log of base 5 of 4. So we have it as 3 plus log of minus 1. Is it equals to 100? So that's what we're trying to check. You have 3 minus 1 is 2. So we'll have it as 5 power 2 plus log 5, 4. Is it 100? Okay, so we use the law of exponent to split the powers. So we can write it as 5 squared times 5 power log of this 5 of 4. Is it 100? Let's complete it here. So you have it as 5 squared is 25, 25. Then when you have log, when you are raising a number like, when you have m raised to power log, m raised to power log of m, mn, that the answer is what? N. The answer will be the power. Then this answer will now be 4. So you have it as times 4. This is exactly 100. So our answer is right. Subscribe for more math tips like this.